So welcome to the video education of how to add and manage your leads in the Behomes CRM. So today we're gonna explore of the lead section site where we're gonna walk through of the cart of the lead, and let's go through the first of all the view. If you have a look into my screen right now, we are into a CRM section. We have two options into viewings, which is the board section, Kanban, or we call it, as well as the list view, whoever is convenient. So in terms of the usage, so please feel free to use it. But we recommend personally to use the Kanban section or board. And this is where we start to add into our leads. It's on the top right side of it. Add the new lead. And from here on, we can fill client details. For example, now I'll fill it in order to show you. And this is where we take it folder of our client. Now I fill the client details. So now I add the lead. So we see that there is the lead ended up into our new section. So we call it them steps, the pipelines in the column. And you can see that we have added the Kansas test over here, which as a lead, and we could manage by a step, as well as you could add it quick add, super easy, super fast. You just have to fill the details. So going through over the CRM, we could also high rate by the status of the lead, how much is willing to buy an apartment or to close the deal at all. So we could rate on a star of our client. We could just rate a 5-star or just a 1-star, or maybe he's like, I don't know, somewhere in the middle in terms of the buying a property. So you could just rate 3 stars if you want. That gives major appointment for a client where you could see so how much it matters. And of course from here on you could manage in terms of your responsible person of your lead. So you could see you could attach your own team, as well as you could rename those steps. And here you could see that I could edit the step. I can put it into the from anticipation into a first call if I need that first call, and even I can switch the color theme of the step, which is really cool. So next thing further, guys, we see that the lead can be added super quickly, which is also important and cool. We can fill the client details and his budget. And from here on, once we click on that, so this is cart of the lead, guys. And this is where we manage the lead within two steps. So you can see there's into the steps of news, first call or qualified. Straightly from the step qualified, we could drive it into a deals, which is also into a deals section. We can see all the information and we can edit it. So this is it, guys. And let's go through further. Thanks for watching.